Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the spaces you're listening to public so that others can see who you're listening to on Twitter. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the home button down below on the left side corner and click on the profile picture at the top on the left side. Scroll down and tap on settings and support, click on settings and privacy, scroll down until you can find privacy and safety. Scroll down and click on spaces, manage your spaces activity. Here you can enable the allow followers to see which spaces you're listening to. Tap on this button next to it on the right side. As you can see, this setting turned off. Keep in mind that even with this setting turned off, you will be visible to everyone when you are in a space. Your followers can always see what spaces you are hosting, co-hosting, or speaking in. So even if you disable this feature, whenever you listen to a space, or participating in or hosting a space, others will be able to see you. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.